how to remove the shock hardware from your Rocky Mountain Altitude and Instinct. And I'm going to be using the Rocky Mountain tool. You have to order this direct from them. It's kind of unfortunate. So we have two simple 5mm bolts holding the shock in place. Loosen these up so they are hand tight, but make sure they're still inside of the bike. So take this precautionary step right here. Put a towel down in front of the upper part of the shock because I've simply carved out a piece of my carbon from the shock falling. So now let's start on the front of the shock. So loosen this up all the way. Now lift the rear wheel up and pull that bolt out of the shock while supporting the shock because it will fall down. Just because of the angle of this one, it's kind of an oddball to take out of the bike. So once you get the bolt out, now rest the shock on your protective towel and start your work on the rear bolt. So the rear bolt will come out a little bit easier, but it is a little bit of a tight fit inside of the Ride Force system. Remove the bolt, then put your towel inside of the linkage so it's not resting on the carbon or aluminum. So this is why I'm making this video, because the Rocky Mountain tool is a little bit frustrating. So first step, we're going to get the bullet. Put the bullet inside of the bearing. Then take one of the cups, hook it around there. On the bullet side, you just put in, thread that in. Now we're going to take the other cup and hook it on the other side of the bearing. So here's where everyone goes wrong, including myself. You have to extract the non-bullet side. And this tool actually works pretty awesome. If you do this from the side with the bullet installed, it does not work. Once you get one side out, it comes with this drift, and then you're going to hammer it out. It's a little bit, it took probably like 2 minutes of hammering to get this shock hardware out, so it's a good idea to grease it up. When putting this hardware back together, you need a vise to press them together. Hope this helps.